Here is a recipe for potluck macaroni and cheese. Ingredients: 1 pound elbow macaroni, ½ cup unsalted butter, ½ cup all-purpose flour, 4 cups whole milk, 1 teaspoon salt, ½ teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 4 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup panko breadcrumbs. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Cook the elbow macaroni according to the package instructions. 2. Drain and set aside. 3. In a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. 4. Whisk in the flour and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until smooth and bubbly. 5. Gradually whisk in the whole milk, salt, black pepper, and ground nutmeg. 6. Cook the mixture over medium heat, whisking constantly, until it thickens and comes to a boil. 7. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in the shredded cheddar cheese until it is melted and smooth. 8. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce and stir until well coated. 9. Transfer the macaroni and cheese mixture to a large baking dish. 10. Sprinkle the panko breadcrumbs over the top of the macaroni and cheese. 11. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the breadcrumbs are golden brown and the macaroni and cheese is bubbly. 12. Remove from the oven and let cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious potluck macaroni and cheese.